Full mock-up of the intercooler is done. Kind of hung mine a little bit different than most of you have been hanging yours. In case anyone wants to do what I've been doing. Let's go over here. Don't mind the driving shoes. Okay, let's get this Nismo grill out of the way. All of my front end is going to have this kind of mesh in there. As you can tell, I cut out like quite a bit of the front. All that will be same mesh up front, including the plastic part. So if anyone's looking for some plastic grill inserts like that, they're in good shape, let me know. Anyhow, this is how I'm doing mine. Basically, I'm using the reinforcing bar. As you can tell, this thing will definitely not move. I mean, I could probably put my weight on that and it ain't going nowhere. Down at the bottom, to keep the bottom from swinging, I got some aluminum brackets down there. If you do get these eBay units, do not use, let's see if I can find these pieces of shit that they give you. Want to know why? These are nickel plated steel. Know what nickel plated steel does? That. See all that rust? You want to deal with that? I know I don't want to. So I'm using aluminum. See underneath. See, you got that one right there. As I said, this is just to control the swinging. So these guys back here that usually hold up the splash shield underneath, literally all they're doing is keeping this from swinging back and forth, and that's pretty much it. That's the other thing. If you want to use these bolts from that you get, go ahead. I didn't. These are stainless. Again, I don't want to deal with rust. I'm probably going to get rid of the split washer since it almost serves no purpose anyway. Especially now that that one is not having weight on it. If you look at the top, those incoming and outgoing pipes are not hitting anything. Can't really see that one down there, but yep. Even these grill parts, I'm using this size tape to measure where I want my grill to be. So it's just basically one looking thing. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with this, because if you look in there, if you have these kind of turn signals, you have a little rivet in here. I don't know if you can see it back there. There you go. That rivet has a bracket on it that holds this light. Now granted, there's two more rivets for this thing down here over on this side. On this side of the bumper, there's some rivets, but yeah, I don't know if I'm going to cut that or not. I guess we'll see. Honestly, I don't really mind the top one being kind of stock looking. Yes, I'm pretty sure all of you have gotten your bumpers with road rash all over the place. That's the reason why you see all this Bondo down here, all this filler. Still got to do a little bit more sanding, as you can see right there. That looks like shit. Sand all that down. This had massive amounts. I mean, you can pretty much see where they were. Right here, there's big just gashes all up and down this thing. Real bad over here. But fill that all up. And I'm trying to stay away from the body line, because I really don't want to fuck with that. Over here I might not be able to get away with that. There's a couple dings up here that I had to take care of. But there you go.